Today, we're going to be talking about KoalaWriter, which is an AI writing software powered by ChatGPT, and it combines SERP analysis with real-time data to create content and produce some really wonderful content overall. Great H2 and H3 tags. It includes also relevant keywords that we'll put in there, basically generated from a keyword or title that you'd like. It will really write you a full article. And we're going to go over Koala Writer features, a little bit about the pricing, and then we will dive in and write an article with Koala Writer. So here we go. All right, next let's go over some of the features of Koala. Koala has AI-powered SEO analysis, which automatically analyzes your SERP rankings for your keyword, includes entities and keywords to help your article. Easy Amazon affiliate articles, so you can really generate complete, ready-to-publish Amazon articles in minutes from live Amazon data, including real reviews and product data. You can also publish to WordPress in one click. Really wonderful feature if you use WordPress. You can basically, once you complete the article in Koala, you can hit create draft and it will open up WordPress and get you a draft in your WordPress. And then you can, optimize the article, switch it up, edit it before you save it on your WordPress. So it helps save you a little bit of time. Also has a 2-in-1 AI writer and chatbot, SEO focused chatbot, which is like ChatGPT, but it includes real-time data and custom commands specifically designed for SEO and content creators. So it is superior to ChatGPT. It is definitely built on ChatGPT, but also has integrated features, data features, SEO features to really help you produce more human-like sounding content that has SEO relevance within the content. And it also has on-brand voice. So choose from 7 different writing styles or 4 different point of views to add a human-like touch. Enhance control. So basically, you can generate outlines, which will order different H2s and H3s. Then you can kind of switch up the outline before generating a full content piece if you like. Also has Google Sheets integration, API access, and has a risk-free trial. So you can try Koala out for free. Link is in the description. All right, let's go over the pricing. Koala has some really good pricing starting at $9 a month, which you'll get 15,000 words per month for a Koala Writer. With Koala Chat, you'll have 250 messages per month. You'll be able to utilize GPT-4, 3.5, or Claude, real-time factual data. You'll be able to use AI-powered SEO optimization, AI images, and YouTube video embedding, live Amazon data for affiliate articles, bulk writing mode. You can use WordPress and webhook integrations, Google Sheet integrations, and API access. That's all for $9 per month. And the starter plan is everything in the essentials plan that we just went over, but 45,000 words and 500 Koala Chat messages per month. The professional plan at $49 a month has everything in the essentials, but it also has automatic internal linking, premium AI image models, custom AI image styles, and it comes with 100,000 words per month and then 1,000 messages per month. So professional is kind of the all-inclusive suite. If 100,000 words is enough for you per month, it'd be a good suite because it includes the automatic internal linking, which the starter and the essentials does not. And then also the premium AI image models, which I think look pretty good. They produce some really good images, so that'll give you a little bit better image creation as well. Then, if you were really needing a lot of words, you got the boost plan for $99 a month. Everything in the professionals, just more words and more chat. So it's got 250,000 words per month and 2,500 messages per month. Then up from there, you got the growth, which is more word, double the words of the boost. And then elite is double the words of the growth and double the chats and so forth. And you have the scale 1, 2, and 3, which are probably for pretty large businesses, at least medium-sized businesses, large businesses, maybe even enterprises can use one of these um, packages. All right. So overall, I'd say Koala has some good pricing. And next, we're kind of gonna go ahead and get into Koala Chat. All right, we have Koala Chat, which was one of the main components of the Koala AI suite. So basically, Koala Chat is similar to Chat GPT, although it is infused with Koala's own real-time data, ability to pull real-time data. So you can use GPT 3.5, you can use GPT 4, you can use Claude or Claude 2. So if you see though, GPT-4 Turbo and Claude 2, they both use 2 times the amount of credit. So just want to throw that out there as well. And you can toggle on or off real-time data right here. So that's Koala Chat, similar to ChatGPT, just infused with some real-time data, and also has Claude and Claude 2. So some wonderful chat software there as well. And next we'll go into KoalaWriter. So KoalaWriter, of course, is, I'd say, the main focus of Koala's software. Really, what it is they can really, you can throw in a keyword or a title basically, and KoalaWriter can produce you a full blog article from those keywords. You can add or create a preset here if you like. You can just name it, hit OK, and then go through and save a preset if you like for your settings. So we're just going to go ahead and roll through and go with the default settings. We're not going to add it to a project to save. You can change your GPT version here. So we're going to go with GPT-4. And again, this one has it uses 2.5 times more words. So GPT-4 Turbo is recommended. It follows custom prompts better than 3.5, is improved formatting and built-in knowledge up to April 2023. And then there's also GPT-4 Legacy, which produces more accurate and original content than GPT 3.5, but it uses 5 times the amount of words. Usually, I find GPT-4 Turbo is fine. That's what I use primarily. You can change your article type, whether you want to write a blog post, an Amazon product roundup, Amazon single product review, YouTube video to blog post, or you can rewrite a blog post. We're going to stick with blog posts right now, for example. All right. And then here's where you put your target keyword in. It just puts in a random keyword for now. We're going to get back to that in a second before we generate our article and do our example. You can do SEO optimization, default, manual, or AI powered. Default will naturally optimize, but there will not be any SERP analysis done to ensure the article covers all relevant topics. Manual, you can select a list of keywords. You see, you click manual, you got related keywords and entities, topics you can add in. Or if you go with AI powered, the software will analyze top ranking pages and extract up to 100 topically relevant keywords and entities to use in the article. The results are much more comprehensive and has better chances of ranking. So, I will go ahead and choose AI powered here. And you can also use automatic internal linking, which will link your, if this is my website right here, I'll throw in businessworld.ai. So it will help, find relevant pages to link to in the content that it's building for you. And then you have AI images and YouTube videos here. So, you can choose auto and it will put in a image and or a video for under each H2 section. So that's a little bit, and then you could change here, your illustration type, your 3.2 image size, max videos or images here. If you just choose images, you can edit the image style here. So, if you wanted to go with, I usually choose photo premium quality. And you can choose watercolor, fantasy, anime, 3D rendering, or isometric. Image size, you have different, images you can go with here. I usually go with 3:2. Max images, sometimes it puts a little bit too many images for my liking. So sometimes I limit that to a certain amount of images. Article length, you can, default, it will write a comprehensive article about 9 sections or 1900 words, depending on the topic. So, about 2000 words if you put default. You can do a custom number of sections here, and you see you can change the number there. All right. Or you can do shorter, and it'll tell you about 450 to 900 words, or you can do all the way up to long form or longer content, which, is nearly 3,000 words in 10 to 12 sections. All right, so we're going to go with default for now. You can do a different tone of voice, so you can go with SEO optimized. You can go with excited, professional, friendly, formal, casual, humorous, or custom. If you choose custom, you can just type in the whatever custom tone of voice you're looking for right there. We're just going to keep it on SEO optimized. You can change the language if you like. You can change the country, point of view. We're first person, singular, plural, second person, or third. We're going to go with third person. You can use the real-time data, so you can toggle that on. If you enable it, Koala will fetch data from the search results for each section and use the data to help generate the article. We're going to use that, use real-time data for now. And then also you can use, real-time source filtering. So it'll basically show you, if you use default for real-time sourcing, the option uses all of the top ranking pages in the SERP and behaves the same as before. Scholarly focuses on only uses available on Google Scholar. So it limits what information it pulls. Then custom, the option allows you to put in your own search operators if you like. So if you put custom, you could put your own search operators there. I usually use default, and then you can cite your sources as well. You can use an outline editor. This is something I like to use because you can basically have Koala build you an outline. So it'll give you H2 titles and H3 kind of subheadings and build that out to see if you kind of like where the article's heading, right? If you like where the outline's heading. And then you can change up the outline from there, and then Koala will write in those sections. So I like using the outline editor partly because it helps you see if you like the outline before generating it. Because once you generate it, it will use the words, right, that count towards your word usage. So if you use the outline editor, it can help you maybe, be a little bit more conservative on how much words you might use. You can also include a frequently asked questions section and include key takeaways if you like, and it will build out those sections. And then you can also add in advanced options, URLs to link to, custom outline, extra title prompt, extra section prompt. You can disable the introduction. You can disable the conclusion. So that's some more customization you can do. All right. So next, we're going to put in our target keyword and generate an article. So we'll put our keyword, how does AI help write blog posts? We'll say blogs. All right. So we'll just go through here. We got default presets. We got GPT-4 Turbo. We got blog posts. We got our keyword in there. We've got AI-powered SEO optimization, internal links. We're using images. We're not going to use videos. Default length, SEO optimized, third person, using real-time data, citing sources, using an outline editor. All right, and we'll just hit create outline. So it'll take about a minute or so, and create us an outline that we can look over and customize before we allow Koala to write the full article for us. All right, so you can see it produced an outline for us. It's got an introduction. It put in an H2 tag for understanding AI and blogging, and then different H2 tags with H3 tags for kind of the subheadings, right? So SEO optimized with AI, keyword research for an H3. All right, and so forth. Pretty long article, it looks like, or outline that's going to be a long article. And so, what you can do if you wanted to kind of change, if you didn't really like the first heading being understanding AI and blogging, what you can do is click right here to edit it. You could change the section name right here. You can add an extra section prompt right here, which is optional. You can add different keywords you want to focus on. You can list URLs to link to and provide other background information if you like. And then the H3s are a little different. When you click on one to edit one, you would just edit the section name, and it will write, along more around that topic that you provide for the H3s. So that's the outline. We're just going to go ahead and write the article from here and see what it comes out, and we'll kind of review the end of content that it produces for us and go from there. And then it will start generating the article. As you can see, we added, our keyword, or our title was "How does AI help write blogs?" It added streamlining content creation to kind of, make the title a little bit more catchy. And it will take about a couple minutes or so, depending on how long the article is, and it will generate that article for us. So as you can see, it started with the introduction. It's got, some artwork it generated for us, an AI robot, and it's going to just keep building out section by section until it's done. All right, looks like Koala created our article for us. So as you can see, we got the title, of course. We have an introduction. As you can see here, it interlinked a page from the website. So it threw in these AI writing tools, and it actually linked a very relevant page to the site. So, that's good. All right. So and then the image, pretty good robot image. All right. Then each title, or each H2, is the understanding AI and blogging. That was the H2. Then right below the H2, it produces a AI generated image for us. And then, so forth. And you see the H2 with the H3s, keyword research and analysis for the H3, meta description and titles for the H3. All right. And we'll just kind of run through here, kind of show you what it produces. So, it does a really good job at formatting the articles, being very, relevant content as well that it adds in. It kind of adds different sections, as you can see, sometimes numbered lists. All right. Sometimes it will link outward. So this one, it looks like it linked to an external site, for example, applications like those mentioned on Tailwind blog. So, it throws in another link to another blog there for external links. So, really amazing how the software, just from some keywords, will pull all this relevant information, build your content, build you, the photos, maybe even include videos if you want to include the YouTube videos, and really produce you a really ready to go article. Right. So, if you like the article, you're ready to use it, or, edit it before you post it, you can download it right here with this button. You can copy the text and paste it, or you can hit create draft. That will start creating your draft into WordPress. So that will push it to your WordPress page, or your WordPress site, where you can then edit it from there and publish it. So, overall, what I would say, Koala is a wonderful overall software for bloggers, individuals that want to focus on SEO. Also, it's got those affiliate reviews and product building content for Amazon. So it's great for anyone that's maybe doing Amazon affiliates or pushing products, product reviews. It also rewrites blogs as well. So I'd say from a blog perspective and SEO perspective, Koala is about as good as it gets. There's maybe some other software that does a little bit more with different, sales copy, marketing copy, social media, email, whatnot. You could still write that, of course, with KoalaWriter or the Koala Chat. But overall, I'd say Koala is really best for bloggers, people who want to focus on building blog articles or Amazon affiliate content. Overall, I do recommend Koala. Link is in the description, and hope you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, go out there and create you some content, write some articles.